So likely your coffee maker is gurgling kind of like mine was. I'll show you what happened. The culprit is disgusting coffee ground. This is pretty bad. I'm sorry, you have to look at it. But coffee grounds get down into the bottom and they work their way through that hole right there. Let's take it apart. I'll show you how to fix it. It's actually pretty easy. First thing though, I need to clean this out because if we don't do that, it's just gonna keep happening. That's better. Okay, first thing you wanna do is turn it upside down and you gotta pull off these rubber plugs. My particular coffee maker is a Mr. Coffee. These 4 screws are Phillips. These 2 are a star bit, and we'll get to those in just a second. This bit is a T15. There's probably a lot of different coffee makers out there. They all work basically the same way, but it doesn't matter. You just need to get into the bottom of the thing. So there should be 2 hoses and a pathway between the 2. This is the hot plate. This is the heating element in here. Inside one of these 2 hoses, you'll find a hard spot. And mine, it's right here. You can even see it. Just a little bit of a bulge right there. This is the hose we want. Just pull on it, it'll come out. So inside of this hose, that hard spot we were feeling for, which is right here, it's a one-way valve. We need to get it out. So you can either work it out or you can use compressed air. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna try and squish it out. There it is. This ball here is supposed to be able to move. Mine's stuck completely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take mine over to the sink. We'll kind of blow it out, clean it out. We need to get down inside there and just clear this thing out so it's free floating again. It's completely jammed. Okay, it's cleaned out. It was absolutely full of coffee grounds on the inside. How you know you're done? 2 things. 1, it'll rattle. You can actually feel the ball shaking around inside. And the second way you 100% know this thing's working right is blowing it. One way, free flowing. The other way, nothing at all. So we're ready to put this back in now. All right, for quick reference, my particular hose, the one-way valve was in, it's in the one that comes from the fill tank. You can see right through, that's inside the fill tank. We've got to look it upside down, of course. When we put this one-way valve into our hose and put it back together, the one-way valve needs to allow water from the tank into the heating unit. So the fluid needs to go this direction through the hose and not the other direction. So we're gonna put this back in. It doesn't, at this point, it doesn't matter which way, but it does matter in the end which way we put the hose back in to the unit. So I'm gonna make note of which way the fluid can go. This way it's sealed. This way is free blowing. Okay, now that we've got that on, don't forget your hose clamps. There we go, good to go. Well, there you go. I guess 2 things. 1, don't let the coffee grounds fall down in the back, obviously. But number 2 is it's a pretty easy fix. Honestly, it just a few minutes, take it apart, put it together, save it from ending up in the landfill. I mean, they're not that expensive either, but you know what I'm saying. I like to save things when I can. So thanks for watching. If it helped, give me a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.